Hey, this is Todd at NC Solar Electric. So the goal is to move these last 3 panels over there. Watch and see. So it's pretty easy when everything is lined up square, but that last panel at the end, the second bucket to the end, is twisted a little. So it's not sitting flat on the bucket and I can't get the clip in. I'm gonna have to get something a bit stronger to move it. Todd, I got all 12 panels installed. Got my stickers on. Now I gotta do is wire everything up. I got my ground wire right there. I gotta wire it in, ground all my panels, hook up my inverters. Bada bing, bada boom. Next week.